In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in Asana to organize your projects. Custom fields are a powerful way to structure your tasks and make your workflow clearer, more consistent, and easier to manage, especially when working with a team or handling multiple priorities. To begin, open any project inside your Asana workspace. Once you're inside the project, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find the Customize button there. This is where you can adjust how your project is set up, including adding new ways to organize your data. Click on the Customize option, and a panel will appear with several settings. From this menu, select Fields. This section is where you can create and manage custom fields that will be added to your project view. It's essentially where you define what kind of extra information you want to track alongside your tasks. Next, look for the option to add a new field. Once you select Create New, you'll be prompted to set up the details of your custom field. Start by entering a clear and descriptive name. This is important because it helps everyone on your team immediately understand what the field is for without confusion. After naming your field, choose the type that best matches the kind of information you want to capture. You'll see options such as text, number, date, or a drop-down list. Think carefully about what suits your workflow. For example, if you want to label task priority or status, a drop-down field works very well because it provides consistent options for everyone. If you selected a field type that requires predefined choices, like a drop-down, you can now add those options. This step allows you to standardize your entries and keep your data clean and organized. Take a moment to define options that are practical and easy to understand for your team. Once everything is set, click Create Field to apply your changes. You'll immediately see a new column added to your project view that corresponds to the custom field you just created. From there, using the field is simple. Just click on any empty cell within that column and assign the appropriate value. This makes it easy to update and track important details directly within your task list. And that's it. With custom fields in place, your projects become more organized, more informative, and much easier to manage over time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.